Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to go ahead and announce my winner for my 500 subscriber giveaway real quick before we get this video started. And the winner that was chosen by a random generator was My Moon Child. Thank you so much guys for entering and following along. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching and following me on my curly hair journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this next video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kristen. If not, welcome back. Today I'm doing a video over rice water rinses. So this is something that I've recently incorporated into my routine. Some of the benefits that this has is that it helps detangle and smooth the hair. It also helps increase your shine. It can help strengthen your hair and help if you are wanting to grow your hair longer. So there are 3 different ways that you can prepare rice water. One of them is to just soak the rice in water, another one is to ferment, and then the one I am doing today is boiling. So I feel like boiling for me is the easiest way to do, so I'll kind of show you how I prepare my rice water, and then I will also be showing you how I apply it into my hair. Some of the benefits that rice water has is that it has amino acids, B and E vitamins, and then it also has minerals and antioxidants. It also kind of works like a protein treatment for the hair. My hair loves protein, so this, if anything, always benefits my hair. I don't do this too often. I've been doing it maybe like every other week, I would say. I just recently started incorporating protein into my hair routine. So I've been kind of doing a lot of protein treatments lately to try and help balance my hair out and kind of get it away from being high porosity. So if you'd like to find out how I do my rice water rinse, go ahead and just keep watching. I'm going to co-wash my hair, and then I'm going to apply the treatment. My hair is on, I think, day 3 or 4. It has lost a lot of its shape and a lot of its curl and definition, as you can tell. And it's pretty wild right now. Yikes. So I am going to go ahead and co-wash and then show you how I put on the treatment. Alright guys, I have my rice water rinse in. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and use my Diva Curl Melt into Moisture mask. I want to make sure that my hair has a good balance of moisture and protein. I'll end up leaving on my Diva Curl mask on for about 30 minutes and then style as usual. So I will be right back and I will show you my results. Alright guys, this is my finished look after doing my rice water rinse and then deep conditioning with my Melt into Moisture mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!